Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Sunil Pawar. I am in 8 January batch 2024. Today's date is 29 July 2024. So today I want to discuss the topic about the core Java. So my today's topic is the full stack development. So full stack development it means that all the languages are come together and the full stack development is created. The full stack development is divided into the three parts, basically three parts. First is the front end, second one is the back end, and third one is the database. So in the front end language, there is the HTML, CSS are used in the front end language. Back end it is the second part of the full stack development. So in the back end, the languages, the logical is present in the back end. We can provide the logic in the with the help of back end. And third one is the database. So database, it means that we can permanently store the data in database. So front end it means that we view the front end. It is the view for the client, view page for the client, because the client can see the front end page with the help of we create with the help of the HTML and CSS. HTML with the help of HTML we create the web pages, and with the help of CSS it means that cascading style sheet. With the help of CSS we can style these web pages and create the beautiful page for the viewers or client. So HTML and CSS, with the help of HTML and CSS we can create the front end page, and it is also included in the Angular. It is used for the front end and back end also. So front end, it is one of the part of the full stack development. Second one is the back end. It is the back end. In the back end we can use the many languages like the Java, C#, C++, Python, and very many other languages. In the back end we provide the logic, business logic. We provide the back end. This business logic did not see the client or user or end user. So in the back end we provide the logic, and third one is the SQL database. In the database we use the SQL, MySQL, Oracle, and many others databases. So in the database we can store the permanent data for the client, and the front end, with the help of front end, the client get the request to the SQL and backend, it is check this data is exist or not with the help of SQL, and SQL check this data is available, then it responds to the backend, and backend is response to the front end. The response to the front end, if it is successful or if it is error, anything error. So this process is known as the full stack development. So full stack development is divided into the three parts: front end, back end, and database. So these three parts come together. This is known as the front end. So this is known as the full stack development. In the full stack development there are various web applications, websites and apps, many others included in the full stack development. With the help of full stack development we create or develop many web application, website app, various apps, mobile application, Android application, and many others with the help of languages. So front end, it is visible for the client or end user see the web pages or front end part. Back end it is provide the logical part of the all the front end web application, web pages. So backend it is provide the logical part, and database it is store the permanently data or data to this to the database. So permanently data store with the help of SQL or Oracle we can store the permanently data. So full stack development it is divided into the three parts: front end, back end, and SQL. Thank you.